Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by securing originals and confirming references so changes are reversible and trackable. Once done, inspect file names and folder paths. Mismatches cause missing textures. Make sure your editor's console is visible. It will show load errors and path warnings. Next, note texture formats and sizes so you can plan corrections quickly. You should also verify the asset import settings and whether automatic compression is enabled, because those options change appearance and performance later in the process. Now you rebuild problem textures with correct resolution and color profile. Exporting larger files won't fix UV issues. While re-exporting, fix UV mapping so coordinates fall in the 0-1 space and seams align properly. This is why textures appear stretched. Then import with the right compression and bitmap settings to preserve detail and performance. Once re-imported, link textures to materials and update any material instance overrides. Make sure to refresh or reapply materials so the engine uses the new assets. You finish by clearing caches and reloading the scene so the engine picks up changes immediately. This avoids stale texture references. Test across different lighting setups and camera distances to confirm correct appearance and profile performance, reduce resolution, or enable streaming if memory spikes. If textures still fail, check one key issue: shader assignments and exact file name matches. Mismatched shaders or an unexpected file format often cause invisible or pink textures. Try re-importing a simple test texture to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.